you guys hear wind. We haven't gotten our new microphone yet. We're waiting on it to come in the mail.
We got our dogs with us.
We got our dogs with us. We're doing part of Elise J's weight loss journey today. She's decided we're going to start doing a little exercise at least 5 days out of the week. We're not going to record all of them, but we're going to take you along most of that journey with us.
Yeah.
And right now we're about to go for a walk with our dogs around our little trailer park that we live in.
Yep.
We rent a lot in the trailer park, yo.
Stay over here, Jack.
But there ain't nothing wrong with renting in the trailer park.
Hold on, I'm going to switch my hand.
Y'all wait on me, Tina.
There we go.
Here, I'll hold it. All right, here we go.
It's hard, kind of.
So anyway, it's kind of hard to hold the camera, guys.
Yeah.
We're probably not going to do a whole ton of this.
Come here, Jack.
Jack, you're wrapping me up. Come here, Athena. Sorry, y'all, our dogs are acting crazy. We won't be able to do a whole lot of this because our dogs are wanting to walk up in everybody's yard instead of staying in the road. Wait on Daddy, Athena.
So we're just going to do a few walks around the trailer park.
We're going a few little runs around the track. Athena, stay over here. Let's go ahead and go right here.
Yeah.
And then we'll go around that way.
Come here, Jack. Oh, our dogs, y'all.
The dogs are really acting crazy. Oh, goodness, you're walking me, Athena. You got to stay with Daddy. There we go. I got this figured out.
We got some more videos coming out for y'all. We got a song coming out. We'll be going on vacation soon, so you guys get to see it.
Yep. We're going with Aunt
Uncle
Doris
Donnie.
and Uncle Donnie to the Cherokee, North Carolina to go to the mountains. We're going to take y'all along with us on that journey. Sorry if I get out of focus, y'all. And again, I'm sorry for the wind. We are waiting on a new Rode microphone to come in the mail. It's going to take a little while because we got it at a discounted price.
Yeah.
So it takes a little longer for it to ship that way. Come here, Athena. Oh, Lord, she's pooping in the middle of the street, y'all. She's taking a dookie. Gotta get it on camera. I'm probably going to clip that out, guys. Probably not going to share that.
All right, y'all, so we're going to go ahead and walk. We're going to clip the camera off. We'll be right back, okay?
We'll be right back. When we get back to the house, we're doing our little exercise for y'all.
Right.
But we can't really hardly carry the camera and walk
With
the
our dogs.
and actually do a real exercise. So I'm gonna put the camera up in my pocket. So we'll be right back. Peace. What's up, guys? We're back.
What's up, y'all?
We just got done walking. We ended up having to bring the dogs back in because it was just too much. Our dogs aren't really leash trained, so
we
it was
put them
a mess.
back in and we kept walking.
We did about a half a mile. These exercises, we're sharing Elise J's journey with y'all. This is for either people who have been kind of sitting up and you haven't been exercising for a long time, you've been inactive, or if you're like a big girl or a big guy and you're trying to get started with exercise, you're just not used to exercising. This way is kind of guaranteed to get you started on exercising. First thing we're going to do is we're going to do push-ups, but we're going to do an alternate type of push-up that's for big people or people who are not used to exercising, and it's called wall push-ups. They're incline push-ups. So what we're going to do is I'm going to do a demonstration. We have a big desk right here. This is our computer desk. You can either do this on a wall or you can do it on a desk like this. In our case, we're going to do it on a desk because Sade needs a little bit more incline. She actually has some oomph in her arms, but she just can't quite do the floor push-ups all the way. So what you do is you want to make sure your back's all the way straight like this, and you just want to do a push-up. And you don't want to try to do too many. If you're big, you want to start out slow. You really want to focus on your form and getting your push-ups perfect. So you just want to do 4 or 5 perfect push-ups. And if you can do more, you do more. It's basically until your body gets too heavy to do them anymore. And I'm going to do 5, and I'm just going to come back up. So that's basically it. But you want to do them slow and you want to do them perfect. So go ahead, baby.
All right.
I'm going to help you out and make sure you get yourself straight. Yeah, like that. And go straight down and straight back up. Perfect, baby. Your back's perfectly straight. And see, you'll notice if you're big, you're going to break a sweat off doing 4 or 5 of these. Baby, just do 5 for right now.
That was 3?
Yeah, that was 4.
Okay. That was 4?
We'll go ahead and do 2 more. Heck with it.
Cool.
That was 5 or 6. That's good enough. So when you're starting off, you don't want to push it too hard. The next exercise we're going to do is squats. And the reason why we do squats, your thigh muscles activate. I'm not sure what it's called. I'm not a scientist, but I know there's some kind of hormone or some kind of testosterone or something that's activated whenever you exercise your thigh muscles so that your muscles grow and burn fat faster. So we're just going to do basic squats. You want to keep your back all the way straight. And then you just bend your knees. You want to bend at the knee and bring your hips down. Try to do as many as you can until you start getting tired. At least 20. 4. 5. Try to go all the way down as far as you can. 6. Go as far as you can. 8. 10.
Oh, my kneecaps.
13. 15. Let's stop at 15. You don't want to mess your knees up, mess your joints up. The next thing we're going to do, I'm going to have to change the camera angle. We're going to do, I think it's called a plank. So I'm gonna aim the camera at the floor because we have to do it on the floor for this. All right, guys, I gotta kind of duck down for this. So a plank, basically you get in the form for a push-up on the floor, and you wanna hold yourself in straight form like this for at least 30 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 24, 25, 26, 29, 30.
And that's it for that. The reason why you do that exercise is because it exercises your core muscle. It doesn't really exercise your arm, but it does strengthen your shoulders up a little bit. It's mostly for your stomach area though. So go ahead, baby, your turn. That's perfect. 1, 2, 3, 9, 10, 11, 16, 19, 20. That's it. Let me fix the camera. So that's it for that, guys. That's 3 exercises. As far as how long you want to hold your planks or how many push-ups you want to do and everything else, that's totally based on you and what your strength is and what your tolerance level is, like how many push-ups can you do. Once you start sweating and feeling tired, you kind of want to stop then. If it starts hurting, you want to stop. I'm not a doctor, so I'm not liable if you hurt yourself doing these exercises, so please don't come at me.
Alright, so I hope y'all like the video. Wish me luck on my journey. My husband's going to help me.
We'll record a little bit each day and we'll bring y'all an update in a few days. Probably about 3 days on the exercise journey. We'll do one probably every 3 days. But don't hold me to it. We'll figure out how we're going to do it. This is kind of new to us. Man, I ain't been doing no exercise for some years now. So we'll have the dieting. We'll do that separate though. We'll do another video for that.
Well, we'll do another video.
We'll do it, yeah.
We got to get groceries, y'all.
Yeah, we got to get some groceries. We've been being bad. We've been eating out. But we're changing the diet.
And we're getting older now, so we want to do better. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, we want to live a long time.
We want to live long, so you got to exercise and put in the work.
So that's it. You guys make sure you like, comment, subscribe.
Hit that bell for more notifications.
If you like this video, I'll have another video pop up over here.
And also, we got another song coming out, so stay tuned in. We got some vacation vlogs coming out, music videos coming out.
We've really been working on music for y'all. We've kind of perfected our sound a little bit. I don't want to spoil it too much.
Y'all see it when
y'all see it. It's going to be awesome. That's about it, you guys.
Hope y'all enjoy.
Stay tuned. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you go share it. We're getting really close to 1,000 subscribers.
We need y'all's help and support, and we do appreciate the support that y'all have been giving. But y'all go ahead and comment down below. Show us some love. We really appreciate it.
We do have a contest going on. I'll put a link down in the description of that contest. When we reach 1,000 subscribers, we have a giveaway going on. So make sure you go check out that video too. All right, guys. Peace.